Hey everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting. If you love watching TBS for its amazing shows, movies, and sports, but don't want to pay for a cable subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to watch TBS for free using some simple yet effective methods. Stick around till the end because we're covering 100% working ways to stream TBS without spending a dime. Let's get started. Now, the first and easiest way to watch TBS for free is through free trial offers. Several live TV streaming services provide TBS in their channel lineup, and most of them offer free trials for new users. YouTube TV offers a 7-day free trial with full access to TBS. Hulu Plus Live TV also gives a 7-day trial and includes TBS. DirecTV Stream and Sling TV both offer TBS with a free trial period. To take advantage of this, simply sign up for a trial, enjoy TBS for free, and cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. Just remember to use different emails or payment methods if you want to extend the trial. Another great way to stream TBS for free is by using the TBS website or app. TBS official website and app. Sometimes, TBS allows users to watch limited episodes for free on their official website or mobile app. Just visit tbs.com and you might find free episodes without logging in. Streaming platforms with free TBS clips, services like Pluto TV, Xumo, and Crackle sometimes stream TBS content for free, though not always live. While these options may not give 24/7 TBS access, they are 100% free and can be a great way to catch some shows without signing up anywhere. If you're looking for free TBS live streams, some websites offer unofficial streams, but they come with risks. These platforms may have ads, buffering issues, or questionable legality. However, if you decide to explore, make sure you're using a VPN for privacy. Some well-known options include Ustream and Stream2 Watch occasionally offer live TV channels for free. SportsUrge and Crick HD. If you're watching sports on TBS, these platforms might work. Keep in mind that these sites may not always be reliable and can have pop-up ads, so always be cautious while using them. Here's a completely free method. If you live in the U.S., you might be able to watch TBS with an HDTV antenna. Some regions get TBS broadcasts over the air for free. To check if this works for you, buy a cheap HDTV antenna and connect it to your TV. Scan for available channels. If TBS is there, you're all set. This method gives you free legal access without needing internet or a subscription. Now, if you're someone who wants to start your own streaming platform, you'll need a powerful and reliable hosting service. And that's where QloudHost comes in. QloudHost provides the best offshore streaming servers designed for high performance, unlimited bandwidth, and complete privacy. Whether you're hosting movies, TV shows, or live sports, QloudHost ensures smooth, lag-free streaming with DMCA ignored hosting, so your content stays secure and uninterrupted. Check out QloudHost now. The link is in the description. So there you have it. The best ways to watch TBS for free in 2025. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to ABC Hosting for more awesome content. Got any questions? Comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy streaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting. If you love watching TBS for its amazing shows, movies, and sports, but don't want to pay for a cable subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to watch TBS for free using some simple yet effective methods. Stick around till the end because we're covering 100% working ways to stream.